Welcome back guys to the Streamlit hack series. Today we will see how to use multi-select in Streamlit. So let's get started. First we will import Streamlit. Then we will give a title to our page using st.title. Let's, Now we will take the options for our multi-selector. Like I will take the movies types, sci-fi, or it can be action movies, it can be comedy ones, it can be thriller, it can be animated, it can be adventure. Now we will see how to use multi-select. st.multiselect. Here we will give the name to our field. Which genre do you like? Now we will give the options for the multi-selector using Python list. Selected types. Now let's print out using st.write function. So let's run it. Voila. So here you can select the options that you like. I like the action movies, I like the comedy ones, I like the thriller movies. So this is the way you can use multi-select in Streamlit. Thank you very much guys. Bye bye.